Nature provides everything we need to achieve healthy, radiant skin and hair. From soothing aloe vera to nourishing coconut oil, the possibilities are endless. Join me as we delve into the world of DIY beauty, uncovering simple yet powerful recipes that will leave you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and confident in your natural glow. Your kitchen pantry holds a wealth of natural ingredients, each with unique properties that can transform your skincare and beauty routine. Humble ingredients like oatmeal, honey, and yogurt are potent beauty elixirs in disguise. Oatmeal, finely ground, gently exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. It also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, soothing irritation and redness. Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture from the air, locking it into your skin for long-lasting hydration. Its antibacterial properties make it a powerful acne fighter, while its rich antioxidant profile combats free radicals, protecting your skin from premature aging. Yogurt, rich in lactic acid, gently exfoliates and brightens skin. Its probiotics promote a healthy skin microbiome, essential for clear, balanced skin. These natural wonders, combined with other readily available ingredients, form the basis of our simple yet effective DIY beauty recipes. Get ready to unlock the power of your pantry and discover the beauty that lies within. Reveal your radiant glow with the DIY Exfoliating Oatmeal Honey Mask. This simple mask combines the gentle exfoliating power of oatmeal with the hydrating and antibacterial properties of honey, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Instructions: 1. In a small bowl, combine the ground oatmeal, honey, and yogurt. 2. Mix thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. 3. Apply the mixture evenly to your cleansed face, avoiding the delicate eye area. 4. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. 5. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, using gentle circular motions to aid in exfoliation. 6. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. This mask is gentle enough for weekly use, revealing brighter, smoother skin with each application. Silky smooth skin awaits with this avocado and yogurt moisturizing mask. Packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and lactic acid, it leaves your skin feeling supple, hydrated, and revitalized. Ingredients: half a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Instructions: 1. Mash the avocado in a bowl until smooth and lump-free. 2. Add the yogurt and olive oil, mixing thoroughly until well combined. 3. Apply the mask generously to your cleansed face and neck, avoiding the eye area. 4. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to deeply nourish your skin. 5. Rinse off with lukewarm water, gently massaging your skin in circular motions. 6. Pat dry with a soft towel and revel in your newfound silky smooth complexion. Treat yourself to this luxurious mask 1 to 2 times a week for optimally hydrated and radiant skin. Banish blemishes. Naturally with a turmeric face mask. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, boasts potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a powerful ally in the fight against blemishes and acne. This mask harnesses the power of turmeric to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and promote clearer skin. Let's look at the ingredients you'll need: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Now, for the instructions. First, in a small bowl, combine the turmeric powder, honey, and yogurt. Mix well to form a smooth paste, ensuring the turmeric is evenly distributed. Apply the mask to cleansed skin, focusing on areas prone to breakouts or inflammation. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the turmeric to work its magic. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, gently massaging to remove any residue. Remember, turmeric can temporarily stain the skin, so it's best to test a small area first. Use this mask 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Get luscious locks naturally with a DIY hair growth mask with coconut oil and aloe vera. Promote strong, healthy hair growth with this invigorating mask, combining the nourishing properties of coconut oil with the soothing and stimulating benefits of aloe vera. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, or you can use pure aloe vera gel, and 5 drops of rosemary essential oil, which is optional, for stimulating hair follicles. Now the instructions. Start by combining melted coconut oil and aloe vera gel in a bowl. Add rosemary essential oil if desired, for its hair growth promoting properties. Mix well to create a smooth and homogeneous mixture. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, massaging gently to ensure even distribution. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for at least 30 minutes, allowing the ingredients to penetrate deeply. Rinse thoroughly with shampoo, followed by your regular conditioner. This mask can be used 1 to 2 times a week to encourage healthy hair growth and add shine and luster to your locks. Say goodbye to dryness with a creamy avocado hair mask for deep conditioning. Combat dry, brittle hair and restore its natural shine with this deeply hydrating avocado hair mask. Rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants, avocado nourishes and strengthens hair strands, leaving them soft, manageable, and full of life. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: first, mash the avocado in a bowl until smooth and lump-free. Then, add olive oil and honey, mixing thoroughly until well combined. Apply the mask generously to damp hair, focusing on the ends, which tend to be the driest. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for 30 minutes to an hour, allowing the ingredients to deeply penetrate. Rinse thoroughly with shampoo, followed by your regular conditioner. This mask can be used once a week or as needed to quench your hair's thirst and restore its natural softness and shine. Extend your DIY beauty routine beyond your face with these invigorating body scrubs. Gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin while indulging in the luxurious scents and textures of natural ingredients. Coffee and coconut oil scrub. This invigorating scrub combines the stimulating power of caffeine with the hydrating and nourishing properties of coconut oil. Combine 1 cup of ground coffee, half a cup of coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Mix well and gently massage onto damp skin in circular motions before rinsing thoroughly. Brown sugar and honey scrub. This gentle scrub utilizes the exfoliating power of brown sugar and the hydrating properties of honey, leaving your skin feeling soft, supple, and glowing. Combine 1 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of honey, and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix well and massage onto damp skin in circular motions before rinsing thoroughly. These scrubs can be used 1 to 2 times a week to reveal brighter, smoother skin all over your body. Integrating these DIY beauty recipes into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start by selecting 1 or 2 recipes that resonate with your skin's needs and your personal preferences. Set aside a specific time each week dedicated to your DIY beauty rituals, whether it's a Sunday evening pampering session or a quick morning mask before starting your day. Experiment with different recipes, adapting them to your liking, and incorporating seasonal ingredients for a personalized touch. As you witness the transformative power of natural ingredients firsthand, you'll find yourself naturally drawn to a more mindful and holistic approach to beauty, one that extends beyond superficial enhancements and embraces your inherent radiance. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of DIY beauty. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and allow yourself to glow from within. The journey to radiant skin and hair is a personal one, and embracing natural beauty is about more than just following recipes. It's about listening to your body, understanding its needs, and nourishing it with the goodness of nature. The recipes shared here are a starting point, a gateway to a world of natural beauty waiting to be discovered. As you embark on this journey, remember that true beauty goes beyond the superficial. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin, embracing your individuality, and celebrating the unique beauty that radiates from within. Trust in the power of nature, listen to your body's wisdom, and allow yourself to shine naturally. Thank you for watching. You will find all of the recipes in the description of this video. Let me know which recipes you will try in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as we continue to aspire to health.